Today in this video I will show you what is inside this CD-ROM, also known as a DVD plus CD-ROM. So it is made in Canada, made by HP company. Let's see in table workbench. Now you can see there's a CD-ROM, HP Package Limited. There says Class B type, made in Canada, ICE 003. Model number is a Class B. It is also interferes with any infrared, but if infrared is visible light. Infrared light is a visible radioactive light. It is also known as radiation. It is not toxic radiation. It can use TV remotes. So when you hold the TV remote into your camera, cell phone camera, you can see in the LEDs blinking in the top in camera. Normal light will not see. It is also says that never open this inside contain laser beam, laser infrared or non-infrared radiation. So it is safe. So that safe, it is not dangerous at all because it is off, or it is, I not don't it is it inside the laser is not too much. So this says one or two laser products. So now see what it is inside. So it is also as SATA or serial SATA. So it is not receive master or sleeve configuration. So now open. Before opening, we can need just one pin. So it is so you know for your own Wi-Fi, you can reset by pushing this pin in this hole to open it. So this that you can use your Wi-Fi. Put pin into hole to. So it is open. All we need to do, just we can see it is this part you can mechanism you can use in your series. Now before opening it, just we can put this away, and you also need a top. So it is also need a 5 volt and 12 volt both sides. So just we can unclip first top one and make an lift out. So well, it's push this and push this out. So it is pushed, and so I think first open screws. So there are screws. This is not right screw, so I open screws with my hand. So without any screw right, so just open. There are total 4 screws. So this time I am thinking to be try with removing inside laser to see. I am seeing first time this 2 years before I open one. So these is 3 motors, but this one I don't know what is inside. So there are open screws, and this screw is also left. Make sure it's moved up right way, otherwise it is re-screwing instead of opening. So I think open this one because this screws this one is quite loose, otherwise one is not too loose, so it is not opened by Findle. So just right, and first we can screwdriver. Although this side is old, one side is that side is so nasty, and this side is nasty right now. So it is too dirty side of this side. We need this one first and little bit pull lightly, and so just pull this little bit, not too much. So yes, it is unlocked. So same size and other one. So this time it is less force, so I didn't expect it or when I open the previous one 2 years old, which is taken too much time. So there's our circuit. This is a main driver board. There's a panel, and there's a motor. There is some 4-phase motor to move this unit back and forth, and there is some sensors and laser also. Now open for stop side. Make sure it is no any more screws inside to hold top cover. So this is, I pull this down where otherwise while I do this, so every component is splashed in there and component is everywhere. So I can open this time is carefully, never components, everything is splashing. So this point, first wires we need are top, these one lots. So when you open this lot, so it is front one is open. So once again we can push this lever, and this one maybe it is, so it is this part is broken, maybe so it is a vibrate when I do it. So me it can unclip. So it is not unclipped. So now it is fully open. Just all we need to do with the main frame. So there is a main frame and there is a mechanism inside. So this is a mechanism with an gear motor, with this motor can drive this. So this way I can make my and generator, because when pulling this switch and move this motor. So I think rubber band is broken. This is the main problem right now, I think. So there is a laser. So this can move horizontally by itself. So there are one axle, I think I can show you. And this is an read CD. This is the main lens for laser, and there is one side laser, and I think this side is laser, and this side is main the receiver. So it is a receiver installed for the electrical cell which can read this. So that point I open these screws to do that. So this is, I don't have now right screw. So may I can find a right screw and come back for pause, or we can continue. So this thing, I think this one upper tray is maybe shall come out easily. So I can open a last type of ears. So I think I can open this way, just pull it, put it in lock. I also think there are some push buttons, there's a panel board, and there's more. Before further open, I can see this panel, the main circuit board, because we need a find another screwdriver to open the inner one. So that's why I can show right now there is. So this time it is not possible to reverse engineer with this board. So there is twice bit and twice component one. So this is a main track for this. There are ribbon tables for main this one, and this for this 4-phase motor, and this for main board. All we need to do just unclip it. All we need to do just pull. So there is so this is again, this is a very sensitive one, so cannot do pressure, just unclip it. I'm telling this is a main processor, this is maybe motor driver, let's see, and there are some components, and there is oscillator to drive this, and couple of components, and yes, there is main topic when I will show you. So there are, this is axle with drive by this motor. So when you rotate this shaft, it can move horizontally. So this thing you can use to make your CNC mill or CNC mill using Arduino. Arduino is a platform which can use to make a software plus hardware. You can combine these two things to as well as learn, as well as make some different projects. So this is a microcontroller based circuit. So I'm open it. So because there are two screws, we'll open this screw. So this screw I was missing on table, so I can do with off camera. And so now it is carefully removed. So before removing, we can remove this board. This board removing simple trick. So it is clip to the other, unclip. This clip is open. Open at it is reclip again. So there is not the two external force. This is a very sensitive clip. So now I remove this rubber. So it is a rubber drum. So all we need to just take a tester, screwdriver, and pull it out. So this point very carefully, not damage this sensor or everything other thing, just carefully. So I think this is not easily come out, so I am put out this thing by this way. So this way, so I not divide this thing into pieces, parts and pieces, because may I can make my CNC or any other use this mechanism for my in upcoming videos. So that's why I can only remove like this one and see first laser trick. So we removing it, we push this and remove this, a very sensitive, without any external force. We just either easy but little bit practice, so it is flip out. So this thing is different because when I open 2-year-old, this feature is. So just carefully grab out, not injury your hand, carefully. So remove this unit. This is the main mechanism, and one more mechanism. I open it, and after I can see what it is. So there is a mechanism which is made. There are screws to hold motor knot. So what is right there? There's also clip, just this clip, and this point. It is little bit trickier because, well, do this. These one lot, it is a two lot, built in two lots. Well, one lot is open and other lot automatically go back lot. So that's why very carefully, not damage PCB or may I then. So I realize them what problem are in this. So I then trying to repair with off camera because there is rubber band issue. There is a rubber band which can move this back and forth with the main CD holder, which is not, rubber is broken, so it means it is not move back and forth. So there is a main problem maybe. So I can do it off camera. So well, I do in on camera it is can take 1 or 2 hours. Well, I can repair the in this in camera. So that's why I can not do this camera, because all we need just bad plug in. Well, when same way which way I can open it, and little bit difference I can need a rubber bands and take a right size one and put the everything back. The lot more bit all this. So this lot is little bit broken, so not a problem at all. Why it is a kit. Make some size of screw, or this lot is open. Let one push more this time lot. So I think there are screw is some size holding this unit. So there's a motor, maybe there are screw inside, or there is. So this mechanism you can use to make a door lock system. So it is not. So you can now we then all we need to just take a press in these motor terminals, or solder this motor terminal plus extra wire and use it. Oops. Carefully I applied extra force, and now it maybe come out, but there is a knot. I think there's a motor is lost because there is main reason is motor lost. Is all in place some reason, so it can not move. So I can move. So right now I guess it is open. But one more thing I do. So just gently press up it come out. So now it is old one side. Right now I think this side just unclip properly, otherwise it can break the clip. So just I did this way and little bit. So this clip will hold in this position and push this clip until it can lock. So there was a switch 5-volt motor, which motor can rotate this. But problem is there are rubber band loop in there and this which can help to rotate this mechanism. So it is broken. So I use for this bind attach new rubber band, or I directly solder these wires in. I can wire directly to join there and place back. When I move this thing back and forth, this motor is moved by this gear system, which can maybe acts like a generator, free energy generator system. And there is the other mechanism. So it is the motor. It is a 4-phase motor. So 4 or 5 phase. You can see there are too much phases. It is also 4 phase. So you can see, and when you can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this motor is also clipped in there, and this is a main mechanism which can move back and forth. And this is the main receiver point, and there, yes, my favorite thing is there. So there's a laser diode. So our laser diode is what we first open these screws and remove this mechanism, and after we then remove this, and after I turn on. But this test it is too longer to be what, so it maybe I can what in remove right now and test in tomorrow, or I thinking to be repaired or some different things. So now I'm set a power supply 5 volt. So I realized that this motor is 5 volt because I have seen I bought buy a bulb, disto bulb, which is same type of motor used in 5 volt. So this point motor is what. So these are separate little plugs. So what we do right there is, so there are plug. I just take this track in there. So all the track is insulated. So this test it is not short circuit issue, but I am right now show this motor working in action. So then motor is working. So you can hear it is working with 1 milliamps. One clip is removed. So just this type with this power supply is safe, but touching it so not problem at all. So you can see the motor is running. So it is mean motor is fine. So I can make upcoming my one video some different project, and this is a 2 liter. You can see there are the mechanism and there is some things, and this video can become next video very soon. So you can see there are safety lot in there. So I guess there are some sort of safety lot is there. There's a safety lot. There is, meaning there are, when we open this slide cover, this contact is open. So it is main driver boards now inside its CD. When you close it, then automatically detect door open and door close. So that states it is when door is closed, now laser is activated. No door closed situation, laser are not active. So that is a safety lock. So there are common ground with normally close and normally open point, which can do this wire. Well, I put this thing back and forth, so you can see. I think this is tight. When this is moved back and forth,
So there are lot. Right now it is so stuck to other. Yes. Now you can see this metal vibrate is moving. That means it can turn off this little switch in there. I later add the image so you can see after it which type of switch is. And right now it is with little update.